this video, we cover the following topics. Water is known as the universal solvent because of its ability to dissolve many substances. Water typically follows the path of least resistance or easiest route, according to the principle of least effort. Water will generally flow toward the lowest point on any incline, will try to find level, and tends to flatten out. Near edges water creates a meniscus or curved surface where it meets any type of container. Water is a fluid that requires a container to hold its form. Water has the ability to travel through narrow spaces without the assistance of external forces like gravity. This is due to the cohesive and adhesive properties of water molecules called capillary action. Water molecules at the surface experience a cohesive force that causes them to behave as though they are linked together, forming a sort of skin over the water's surface. This property allows small amounts of water to form droplets. This is referred to as surface tension. Water molecules tend to stick to other substances known as adhesion and to each other, called cohesion. This is particularly important when water interacts with absorbent materials like paper. The viscosity or thickness of water can change with temperature. Cold water is slightly more viscous than warm water, which can affect its flow and behavior. This can be referred to as temperature sensitivity. Lastly, water disperses from areas with more water to areas containing less. Instead of resisting, learn to anticipate and harness these natural behaviors. By respecting the medium's character and flow, and allowing it to take the lead, an artist can create works that are both vibrant and harmoniously balanced. In essence, just as the song advises us to row our boat gently down the stream, so too does watercolor teach us to paint with a gentle, observant touch, embracing the surprises along the way. The world of watercolor beckons artists to adopt a similar stance. The lyrical guidance of this song mirrors the essence of watercolor painting, a dance between control and surrender. While the initial impulse might be to dominate and direct every brushstroke, watercolor, much like the waters of a river, has its own temperament, rhythm, and direction. The children's song Row Your Boat holds within its verses a profound message: life is but a dream. Just as it emphasizes the gentle act of rowing downstream, suggesting an alignment with life's flow. Unlock the secrets of watercolor with Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. This one-of-a-kind guide combines detailed explanations, step-by-step instructions, and over 200 embedded videos to help you master techniques and build confidence in your watercolor journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide has everything you need to grow as an artist. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase Comprehensive Watercolor in the description below. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide covers virtually all the gear a watercolorist needs to begin a lifelong journey of watercolor painting and includes recommendations for gear like equipment, materials, supplies, tools, mixed media, and more. This free guide accompanies the book Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.